What's up, guys? This is gonna be my first video on the channel. Basically just making this channel to have some fun, record the build progress of this car. Today we're only gonna be doing some little stuff. I have some yellow tint for the daytime running lights. I've seen a couple people do it on Instagram and YouTube, and I think it looks best on black cars. So we're gonna try it on this car, see if I like it. If not, I'll take it off. But then I also bought some Sickspeed horns, a recent mod I've been seeing people do. They're gonna be a lot louder, but they're also gonna look cool behind the grill. Got in like a chrome color, so see if that looks good too. So mostly cosmetics today. Later I'm gonna be doing more, exhaust and lowering the car and stuff like that. So that's to come. But today, gonna be doing some cosmetic mods. It's actually such a nice day today. I'm on the East Coast, so unfortunately or fortunately, we got seasons over here. So the spring is coming. This is one of the first good days, so I'm taking advantage to get some stuff done on the car, get ready for spring. We're coming up on my boy's house, so I'll show you the car when we get out. It's stock, but that's why we're starting the series. It's not gonna be stock for long. Got some things lined up. Got some coilovers, RR Racing coilovers. I'll make a video when I get that installed. I'm gonna be getting some tail lights, exhaust. So she's stock now, but just wait and see. All right, so this is the car. It's a 2017 Lexus IS300. Like I said, it's mostly stock. The only things I've done are carbon mirror caps and a carbon spoiler. This one didn't come with a spoiler. I actually like the stock spoilers a lot, so if it came with one, I probably would have left that. But this one did not, so got the carbon spoiler, and that's all. It's stock. And today we're going to be tinting the DRLs yellow. It's kind of like a yellowish gold, kinda. I'll show you the tint here. Okay, so this is the tint. It's just on Amazon for like 20 bucks or something. It's the Vivid Air Tint Golden Yellow. This is a lot more than I need, but they don't really sell it in a smaller roll. So hopefully we'll see how these look. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. My boy's house. This is where we're gonna be doing the install. I don't got a lot of space on my crib, so this is my boy Darren. What's up, bro? You're gonna be doing the install. You're gonna be helping me out.
Hell yeah, we're gonna install the horn.
Yeah.
And then add some color to these DRLs.
Yeah.
Let's see what's popping. We got the yellow joints right
The
here.
high vis.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun.
I don't think it's gonna look that yellow on the car, but we'll see. Should be like kind of see-through. So.
All right.
So first step I'm gonna do is just clean the headlights. I got some detailer I'm gonna use. Then I'm gonna wipe the lenses down with some alcohol. But I should have washed the car, but we'll wash it after because it's gonna be the whole finished product. So just get the area clean so the wrap can actually stick. Normal isopropyl alcohol. This will really clean the lenses up. Well, since the light's not that big, I'm gonna just cut it half. So I got some extra on both sides, but I definitely don't need the full sheet. So I'm gonna put it like probably there, halfway down. Just cut a little thinner, so it fits that. And that's how we'll start. All right. Once you have a cut, just peel it back. This one is already adhesive. Depends on what you get. I know some use water and stuff, but it's not what I wanted, so. And just lay it as close as possible to where you're gonna do it. You can lift this up. It's not like like you can't lift it up after you put it down. But you want to get it as close. Got a couple tools. Soft squeegee thing, another soft squeegee, then a tuck tool, and then like a knife is always good because you gotta cut it.
Yeah, you need that X-Acto knife.
Yeah, it's better than scissors for this. So I'm gonna just use my finger at first, a little rag just to get it rough.
We'll get a close-up for you guys to see what he's doing.
Basically just want to mold it as close as you can.
So right now he's just trying to mold everything onto the DRLs,
Yeah.
trying to get it tucked in and fit correctly. And then he's gonna cut it and then use a heat gun.
And tuck it nicely. The heat's gonna help you. Also, it's a nice day. If you're doing this in the cold, I would either not do it in the cold or make sure you have your heat gun handy, because wrap is always worse to do when it's cold. So try not to scratch your car. That'll suck.
I'll show you guys close up what he's doing. He's using the
It's a squeegee. This border is the end of the light and the black car is there. So when I cut, I'm just gonna cut along the car and you'll have that nice edge around the tuck in with your tuck tool. And I recommend the tuck tool for sure. Cut along the inside edge near the car as much as you can. So you can see you have that edge along to tuck it in. That's what you want. Alright, so I'm almost done cutting around. Just gonna do this top part. So what you're gonna do, just get your heat gun, add a little heat, shrink down the wrap a little, and just hit it with a tuck. This tool comes with two different kind of things, so it's nice. We should be good. Alright guys, so just finished up the right side, the driver's side. That's how it's looking. Later tonight, I'll show you how it looks in the dark, but everything we did there, just gonna wanna repeat on the other side. It's kind of how it looks here. So just kind of aggressive look. This stuff isn't permanent, so you can always take it off, but looks cool. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Don't mind the dirty car, but both sides are now tinted. I think it looks cool. I think it gives it a nice aggressive look. You know, I'll show you at night, but for now, this thing looks pretty cool. I like it a lot. So
it's definitely a different vibe.
Yeah.
It's just something that you don't see often.
Right.
But it's definitely like an aggressive vibe, like you said.
And I think on the black, it really like helps give us something we need. But
you did a real good job, man.
Thanks, bro. So thanks for the help. So once this is washed and clean, I might wait till tonight to show you the rest of it because she's a dirty girl. She's dirty and dusty. All right, guys, we're gonna be installing these 6-speed horns on the Lexus today. We have just the horns. I'm a dummy and I didn't buy the harnesses because I didn't know they existed, but I made these negative terminals. That should work. That's all you need. There's 2 pins on the back. One, your stock horn pin should go there, and then this can be your negative. I looked it up. It apparently doesn't matter, positive, negative, which side, so we'll try that and see if it works. All right, guys, so I just had a test fit. This can go to any piece of metal. Obviously, it's just a ground. And apparently, it does matter where your positive and negative is. I tried it the other way, it didn't work. So for me, the positive goes on the bottom and the negative goes on the top if you're looking at it from top down. So make sure you have it like that, or it might not work, but give it a try. All right, guys, so they're fully installed. You can see them in there tucked. The only thing is this one hangs lower than this one because the natural mounts are for the original horns are not the same height. So you can definitely make a change for that. You just gotta drill the bracket a little lower, and maybe I'll do that, but let's hear how it sounds. Yeah, that's way louder. What you think?
That's loud.
Yeah. So there you go. People will notice you now. You won't be able to get ran off the road. So yeah, looks pretty good with the lights on it too. Alright, guys, the headlights are done, the daytime run lights are done, the horns are done, and I did promise that we were going to clean this dirty car, and that's where we're headed now. So there's a touchless like slash self-wash that we're going to go to, so it's like 5 minutes away. We're just going to cruise there. I got my boy with me. Like I said, his IS is in the shop right now, so he's in the beater, but we're still going to wash our cars. Alright, guys, as promised, car is washed, and here's how the yellow looks in the light. Let's say with the lights off, kind of looks like a darker yellow with the lights off, and then when they're on, kind of like a nice yellow. I think it looks nice. Alright, guys, so that's it for me. Thanks for watching. We did a few things. We did the horns and the tint today, so that's all I got for today. closing out the night. Probably just go home and chill, watch some Game of Thrones, because I'm late, but I'm watching it. I'm almost done. So, yeah, I'm gonna link the things I used today, like my tin and horns and stuff. So, if you guys want to check out any of that, go ahead. I'll also put my Instagram down below in case you want to follow me. So, give me a follow, give it a like. Let me know if you want more. Like I said, there's more coming. We'll do some cooler stuff. So, thanks again.